Welcome to 6017 Covenant Lane, the newest and the hottest listing here in Wilmington. This is a 2-bedroom, 1,480 square feet house. Sitting on 1/3 of an acre with no HOA. Under 10 minutes from Wrightsville Beach. And this home is extra special because it's my house. This is my first house I ever bought. I love this house, but my wife and I have outgrown it and we're moving on and we're excited to put it up for sale. We love this place. We fell in love with it immediately when we saw this majestic 300-year-old live oak, and we are so excited to bring it to the market. Let me show you around. And right when you walk inside, plenty of space here. You got a closet on either side. This has been great for us to keep coats and shoes. I love the tall ceilings in here. This staircase will lead up to the master bedroom. I've got a guest bedroom here on the bottom side with our full guest bath here. As we continue down the hallway, laundry room on your right. We put this really nice barn door on there just to kind of keep the noise out. But my favorite part of this house is the living room. This is what sold us. This is what we love. It's super tall ceilings, skylights, tons of space. Most of the square footage in this home is right here in this living room. You can configure it a few different ways. We did it as kind of a dining area and a living area there. Here's our cute little kitchen. It's not too much, but it's been perfect for Kelly and I. We've made many, many meals in there together. This was our first home. Our first meal that we cooked in our first kitchen was right here in this kitchen. So I'm a little sentimental about it. It's exactly as much space as you need. And really, this is where most of our focus is. Our TV is down right now, but you see these bookshelves where you can adorn and decorate the home. You've got cabinet space underneath each side, a wood burning fireplace, which creates a very cozy atmosphere in the winter. We have sat by this fire many, many times and enjoyed the winter. I've had this cable trough installed here so you can hide the cables behind the TV, make it look nice and clean. But really one of my favorite parts about this home is this backyard. This big glass door here just really focuses everything on the backyard. It's the main focal point here. You're 1/3 of an acre. It's very, very private. We're gonna go out there and check that out. But I also wanna show you the most unique feature of this home is this open air loft style master bedroom where it's super easy to keep the conversation going. This is the main bedroom. Why don't you come up here and check it out? And to get to the master suite, you just come right up those stairs, right in the front entrance here. There's a small private deck off the side here, and this leads into the master suite. So this is the overlook I was talking about, very open air loft style, but really the master bedroom is very big. There's tons of space for a 2-bedroom home. You used to having a smaller bedroom. There's even enough space to have like a sitting area over here, walk-in closet, and your attached ensuite bathroom. One of my favorite parts about this bedroom is waking up and seeing this beautiful oak tree just framed here in this window. It's just a delight to wake up to. But what really makes this property so dynamic is the outdoor living. I mentioned you already have this small private deck right off the master suite, kind of level with the canopy and overlooking the driveway. And if this deck isn't big enough for you, maybe this one will be. This house has a massive deck that spills around the house. Little elevated walkway here to the outdoor shower, and if you have lived at the beach, you know how clutch an outdoor shower actually can be when you come home sandy from the beach. I have loved that shower. And then this part, so much room for activities. We've had gatherings here, we've had parties, we've had so many friends, and such a big backyard. You're almost fully fenced on 2 sides here, 8-foot fence taken care of by the community next door. So many birds. And I'm gonna miss this backyard. I've loved this backyard. We've had so many big events and gatherings and friends over here. It's really been awesome, but I know someone else is gonna love it. Another family or an individual is gonna love hanging out here, cracking a cold one or their favorite beverage, and just really sitting here, enjoying nature and all that coastal North Carolina has to offer.